Ingredient 1. Banana. Did you know? Banana contains an amino acid called tryptophan that aids the production of serotonin in the body that helps to regulate sleep. Other benefits of bananas for babies include 1. It packed with nutrients including potassium and magnesium, which allows muscles to relax. See more benefits on screen. Yogurt contains tryptophan. It also contains calcium that help process sleep hormone melatonin. Tryptophan is more effective when combined with carbohydrate, making this recipe a perfect match. See other benefits of yogurt for babies here. Let's continue making the bowl of goodness. I am using no added sugar yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice. Avoid sugar-laden yogurt. Add 2 full tablespoons of yogurt to the mashed half banana and mix. Please don't forget to click the like button.